Don't get distracted. Also, look at these hats. I love hats. I can never be that aesthetic person that just has like really aesthetic, sweet, peaceful videos that I like watching, because that's just not me. I'm just gonna be a, you know? This is what it looks like. For people who are messy little freaks, this is for you. Time for us to be real and share our real lives, because not everyone is so curated and so clean. As two neurodivergent parents in this home, ADHD, it is not clean. And that's okay. Yikes, too much. I'm really hungry. Just so you know, this is a place where everyone is welcome, unless you are a Zio, unless you support colonizing. No, this isn't for you, babes. Bye. Bye. You're not welcome here. Everyone else, what up? All right, let's go. What up? Welcome back to Hella Jam. For those who are new here, my name's Jamie, and I've been creating YouTube videos. I've been a content creator for like 9 years now. Fell off because I had kids and it was just too much. It was the pandemic, and then look at me. Yeah. I just really needed to focus on my kids, and the most I could actually put out there capacity-wise was short form content. Instagram feels like Lord Voldemort, and I hate it there. Meta absolutely sucks and is a Zio company, and I just do not want to support that, and I don't want to waste my energy there when I'm being shadow banned for speaking up for the injustices happening in this world. So I'm just gonna go back to my roots and just create long form content. I think that I've been so out of the game that I don't really know where to start or how to do it, but I'm just gonna do what feels right to me and just share my pieces of my life. If you haven't yet and you want to subscribe, you know what to do. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. So let's just clean. Right now I'm feeling very overwhelmed with just my house. It gets messy quick. Yeah. All right, let's clean. This is our cute little tree. Look at that. Love it. My brain's malfunctioning. I think I need to eat something. And come hang. Also, my makeup, mostly all Huda Beauty, also pro-Palestine, so you know what's up. We went to this amazing spot called Dyalla Coffee, Yemen coffee. Instead of supporting Starbucks, going to support them. Little shawarma wrap that we got. I'm really hungry. I gotta clear out my fridge. There's a lot. Don't panic. So when I tell you I'm embarrassed of our home, because look at our garage right now. That's all you get. But you know what? Progress. We're gonna try. Zool, our cat, has been peeing on our couch. So we are washing that now. Always lock the door, you never know.
What are you doing?
Hibernating?
You're wearing the blanket.
It's called hibernating, my love. This is the time, this is the season to hibernate. So I'm really just leaning into hibernating, doing things that I want to do, not so much to please other people or to catch up to these trends, or like I just want to slow down. This world is just, it's a lot. And I think that if you are well aware of what's been happening in this world, ever since October 7th, I've been just like fully immersed and trying to educate myself on what's been happening. With that was a big mental load, and my headspace was just not in a good place. I really just needed to just take a break and be here. So I feel like I'm constantly racing, trying to figure out how to juggle the home before the kids get home from school, because I want to be able to like hang out with them and be present once they get home. Time to roll these sleeves up. Can I just say, wait, let me fix my hair. There you go. Can I just say, I keep getting distracted. ADHD. Clean table. Next set dishes. I promise I'm not usually this chaotic. That's not true. I actually am always chaotic. That's like my middle name. Chaos. That's me. Let's go. Let's go. It's time. I think I want to move that up there. That makes sense. Can you tell we love Spindrift? Start. Damn it. Is it gonna go? I'd also like to mention that I doubled my Vyvanse today, so I'm like, I didn't know this was gonna be a clean with me video, but let's hang out, okay? Okay. If you're wondering what this concoction is, it's 3/4 vinegar and what is it? Just water. That is done. Now let's clean out our fridge. Wasted. It's from Monday. How long is chili good for? Monday, did I make it Monday? 4 days? I think this is still fine. Okay, that wasn't that bad. I thought it was. Now we're gonna compost it. We made soup the other day, not my proudest. I'm a soup queen, not great. Also, how amazing are these? Compostable. I'm just gonna put all my compost in a big old pot. Reuse this. I feel so bad wasting this food, especially when people are starving. But let's hope and pray it goes back to Mother Earth, okay? Off to compost. Gross. Let's go. It's the first day where it's not super, super, super cold, which feels great. So maybe we can like go to the park and hang out. And we're back. Because I didn't plan that. I just cleaned and then this is moments like this where mom would be like, you should have done that before. It's like, girl, I know I should have done that before. I wish I knew I should have done it before. But I don't think ahead like that. And that's okay. And that's a dirty rag. So as somebody with ADHD who got diagnosed 5 years ago, I'm just learning myself. Hi, Birdie. She's so sweet. I've learned that I like having a time limit. I will not do what I need to do until the very last minute. I've got 8 minutes. Let's fold some laundry. These towels have been in the dryer for God knows how long, probably a week. And that's okay, because I just need to move with the flow of how my brain works. I need to stop fighting and stop wishing that my brain worked a different way, because that does no one any good. I go hard in the paint when I have the energy to go hard in the paint, and then I chill. Chill. I'm talking like binge watch Outlander. I love it. Jamie Fraser. Meow. The love between Jamie Fraser, I don't know if this is like too niche, but if you don't know what it's about, it's probably the best series of all time. She's a time traveler. She travels back to the 17th century, and it's a love story. It's beautiful. I got Stefano in on it. We had to binge watch it every single day until we were done with the season. My mental health was not doing very well because of everything that's going on in the world, and I just felt like I was just chronically online, feeling like I had to be up to date with what's happening in Palestine, because the news isn't going to show us what's happening in Palestine, right? Like, now we're learning that you can't trust anyone. You can't trust the news sources because they're getting paid to spread misinformation or not share the full story, right? Which is so messed up. 4 minutes. I do that in 4 minutes. That's why I like setting like a little timer for myself, because I'm like, hey, that wasn't that bad, actually. I need to put it away. But am I gonna put it away? Not yet. Because why would I do that? ADHD girly, she can't finish a job. No way, Jose. Kids love this, it's so cute. It's also super easy to clean. I love that it's like cork board in the back. Leo Love chose these. I don't like them, but I bought them for her because I love her. And I was like, be fun, be cool, Jamie, be cool. You can't control everything. I'm switching the candle. Oh God, what? That doesn't fit in there? You've gotta be kidding me, dude. Why do some candles fit and some don't? Guess I'll have to keep it. I'm blanking. How much time do I have? I have to leave in like 5 minutes, 3 minutes. These motherfucking cats. These cats. He just pooped outside the litter. Time to pick up Leo Love from school. No, I forgot my purse. There you go. My girl Leia is watching Leo Love. They wanted to have a last minute play date. I'm just gonna finish tidying, and that is why community is everything. Thank you, Leia. I love you so much. Yikes, too much. Let's clean this up. Wild. Okay, now we're back home. It's 3 o'clock and I only have like, I don't really have that much time, to be honest, but let me just get all of these clothes off of my bed. We'll just see what I can do in an hour because we have to leave in an hour. I took the kids to the park after school. They played, hung out with their friends, and now they're doing a play date there last minute. Because I was like chatty Cathy and just talking to everyone, I kind of lost some time, but it's okay. It was great. And this is the thing, realistic expectations. I'm just gonna get done what I can. Also, let me show you these really cute pants I just got. This is the front. I also got these too. Let me show you. This top. So stinking cute. The bane of my existence is putting my clothes away and not having a ladder for it. Question, for people who work out, after the workout, do you reuse it, like after Pilates? Because I don't know what to do. I have a bunch of clothes and I just kind of like air it out and then I'll wear them again. But I wear like underwear underneath, so like the yeast infection, don't worry about that. You know, what do we do with all of our workout gears? What do we do? Just put it back in a section where it's not smelly? I have no idea. I especially love wearing this in predominantly white areas. It confuses them. How cute is this? What's in there? Hey Vogue, hi, nice to have ya. Welcome, welcome. Let's do what's in my bag. Oh, I've got a Savers gift card, nail polish, beautiful earrings. What are you doing? Cute little clips. High chews, the best bargaining chips for kids. One last thing, take it easy. Take care of yourself, okay? Like if you are just feeling bleh, just let yourself feel bleh, okay? Do what nourishes your heart, nourishes your soul, nourishes your belly, and I promise you, you will feel better and things are going to get better. To everybody who's watching who has kids and are watching this right now, skip through this, okay? Jamie, skip through this when you're watching with the kids until they're old enough. Elf on the Shelf. Let's talk about it, parents. I told myself I would never do it. I was like, why? I'm not gonna do Elf on the Shelf. Why would I do Elf on the Shelf? The other day, Soul was like, Mommy, why don't we have Elf on the Shelf? And I was like, well, some people have different traditions. She's like, yeah, but there's so much magic. Like, can we get one? You can get one at the store and then the magic comes. And I was like, okay. Mind you, Solecito is 7. Leo Love is 5. Last night, smoked a little bit. And I got in this Christmas spirit and I was like, all right, let's do it. But Jamie, don't go too hard. This is the voice memo I left Stefano. I'm doing Elf on the Shelf and I don't know who else to talk to about this other than you. But as I'm doing it, I question, why the f*** am I doing this? Because it's just gonna be the beginning. Like, we are gonna be every December if I start this. But here I am, making a motherfucking snowman out of crafting paper and gonna put it on their door and blame it on the elf. What the fuck? Also, let's get back to cleaning. Stop getting distracted, Jamie, jeez. Don't mind that. Loads better, night and day. Let's organize this. That is another day. This, progress. Look at that. So maybe this. And he said, this is you because you always like to wear something cozy. But he knows me so well. He's like, and this is me. This is another day. Trying our best here, okay? These ones can go in the extra pile. If you do not exfoliate, this is the best one. Not a loofah, it's this. This one should be somewhere really safe. For now, we'll leave her here. You've got this, you've got this. Just don't get overwhelmed, okay? Don't get overwhelmed. Pro tip, what's helped me tremendously, having a bag specifically for my makeup That way, instead of me being flustered trying to get everything, I'm like, where's my lip gloss? Where's this? I just have my go-to ones here. And my go-to ones are my Huda lip stains. These ones are so good. 4. Because we like options. My Milk Makeup Stain. This one is Burst. I'm wearing all of these lip stains in one. And then if I really want to do the like deep brown line, it's this one. This is Rich Brown, the pink one. It's called Baby Pink. I love Toasty Brown. Ooh, oh God. This is Warm Brown. Pretty sure I did these two on my lips. This in the center. It lasts. And then I always have setting powder, my Pepsid AC, depending if I'm going to be drinking, a sunscreen, and a lip gloss, and a cuticle oil.
Way better.
Honestly, I feel like that's the most I can do right now, and that's okay. Excuse me. Get in there, baby girl. Steph, can you say hi to the YouTube fam?
Hello. Still on work mode.
I hope you enjoyed this chaotic clean with me vlog. I would like to get better about, you know, the angles and all of that, but right now it's just like, let's just get out there. Have a beautiful day. Don't stop speaking up about Palestine and all those that need to be liberated and free. If you can, if you have any money to spare, highly recommend donating. I'll leave some GoFundMes below of people in Palestine that are in Gaza on the ground that have far less than we do. After all, this is the season of giving, and I'm sending you guys so much love. See you at the next one. Oh, and if you haven't yet, you know what to do. Subscribe, duh. Bye.